All right, good day, everybody. Wherever you are, I'm so happy and I'm so excited to be bringing this to you. It's a very, very big package from CMRC, Creative Mind Real Concept. And I'm most privileged to be the innovator, the initiator of this program. It is a very, very big success to bring this to you. Free Success Project 2025. And this year, I am so happy. We have amazing facilitators, persons who are selfless, who are passionate, who are explicit in every ramification of their discipline, and they will blow your mind. So I want you to keep your tabs and start watching these videos and get excellent results and come back to tell us, and we'll rejoice with you. God bless you.
Good day, guys, and welcome to this second part of the sequence and series that was aired in the last video. Again, my name is Fatui Samuel, and this video that you are currently watching is hosted by CMRC. Now, let's get back to business. As you have seen on the board, we are in the second aspect of sequence and series, and this is GP. So basically, what you need when dealing with GP is the formula that I've written down here and how to find your common ratio, because you are really going to need that. Okay, let's continue. Okay, and you know this concept, how I want us to go about with this class is that I just write down the formulas that I've written it on the board, and we just take problems. Mathematics, we deal with a lot of problems, so we take problems and then we'll be done. Okay, so for the sum of GP, I wrote two formula here. I wrote the formula here. For the sum of GP, when this formula is all dependent on your common ratio. When your common ratio is greater than 1, you use this first formula, and when it is less than 1, you use this second formula. So I think we can go on to examples and solve problems. Okay, let's take this problem that involves us using the common ratio. Now the problem says that if 4 all over 3 m 1 and n, if they form a GP, then what is m times n? What is the answer for m times n? So here, what we are really going to do is that we look for our common ratio, and that's, let's just take a number here. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. And for us to solve this question, we need to look for our m, and then we look for our n, then we find the product. So the common ratio says T2 over T1 is equal to T4 over T3. So what's our okay, I think I'm making a mistake here. Now let's go one by one. Okay, let's go one by one. Okay, what's our T2? That's T2 over T1. That's m divided by 4 all over 3. M divided by 4 over 3. That will give you 3m over 4. That will give you 3m over 4. And then we are going to have T3 over T2. What about T3? That's 1. And that's 1 over m. So what we need to do now is to equate these two together, saying T2 over T1 is equal to T3 over T2. That means we're going to have 3m all over 4. 3m all over 4 is equal to 1 over m. Then we cross multiply. That will give us 3m squared. 3m squared is equal to 4. So from here, our m will be equal to 4 over 3 will be equal to the square root plus or minus the square root of 4 over 3. And this will give us 2 over root 3. Don't bother about the plus or minus, since we are not doing sod yet, because when dealing with sod, we are really going to need that too. Okay, so going from here, don't forget the question that I wrote on the board. I hope you have that jotted in your notes already. So let's move on. Okay, I think let me write it back. We have 4 over 3, we have m, we have 1, and we have n. Now we found this expression. This is our m. Remember what we are looking for. We are looking for m times n, the product of these two. We've gotten our m. Now, let us look for how we can find an expression for our n here. So let's take it in this way. Okay, T4 over T3. Yeah, what's T4 over T3? T4 over T3, that's n, that's n over 1. Yeah, that's n over 1.